Welcome to another Mercedes video of my 2009 C200, and in this video I'm going to be changing the rear number plate plinth. So this is the third advisor that was flagged up on the MoT, and it goes back to when I first got this car, because it had a the previous owner had put a private plate on it, S5 ETD, and they decided they were going to carry it forward to the next vehicle, but I didn't know that until I tried to tax the car. Anyway, it's back on its original plate, so I had to get some plates made up and fitted, and this rear plinth, I actually swapped front and back because the front one were damaged. So I took the back one off here and put up the plinth on the front. So this slightly damaged back one came on the back, and I had to secure it with tape. I tried that that self-adhesive stuff, but it wasn't sticking, so I had to reinforce it with a bit of tape, as you can see. Obviously it got picked up by me MoT guys as an advisory. I mean, it's held on for 12 months, not for just over 12 months. But I've got some replacement plinths. I've got a set of two on eBay. What it does is, you got the plinth, it screws to the car, and then you got the surround here, just swings up. You put your plate and it clips into place. So what I'll do is I'll carry on. I'll pull this plate off. It's like I says, that adhesive stuff I got didn't really work. I don't know if I did it wrong. You see how easy it's come off, and you can see it's damaged. It's held on by some screws, so I got my little impact. That should whiz them screws off quite quickly. Unfortunately, it's not going to be as simple as pulling the screws out. I think it's like a something. It's in between the outer and the skin of the boot. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take all the boot trim off, and then I can hopefully get these screws out. So I want to open the boot, and it's just a matter of pulling all these pins out. I'm going to have to do that off camera, because obviously it's not how to change take the boot liner off, the boot lid liner. So I'll get that off, and then should be able to get these out. So with the carpet out of the way, need to remove a few things. Need to remove the warning triangle, its holder, wherever it might be. It's all this, yeah, there's the holder for the warning triangle, and this bit of trim as well. There's all these clips and 4 T20 screws. If you can see there's that's what the screws screw into. So it's just I'll just have to get a grip on that. You can see where I did it from before when I first fitted the plate. So I've got my pliers here. I just get hold of that and it should unscrew. I should be able to get this broken plinth off. So I just ended up ripping it off. Plastic were brittle, which means the screws will be a bit easy to get to. So I'm hoping I'll be able to if I can get these screws out. I'm part way there, but these are like some sort of rivnut. I'm not sure which, but I might try to drill these out, because it's a pretty awkward design. Just fit nuts and bolts, but I'll cross that bridge if I get to it. So I've had a bit of a think. I think I've come up with a plan, and the plan is to tap these holes out. I think these were originally 10mm, but looks like I've had galvanic corrosion there. So what I've done is my smallest tap I could find were 11mm, and I found 4 screws, the exact size, all the same. So just tap these holes out, and then screw the screws in, and that should hold the plinth in place. So I'm going to do that off camera. You don't want to see me tapping holes and putting screws in. So I'll come back to you when I've done. The good news is I've managed to secure it on, so my cunning plan worked in the end. So all that remains is to get this plate in a position, and then it should just clip. It should just snap on. It's just a bit hard doing it one-handed. Let's have a look. Just snaps in, and there we go, sorted, hopefully. And that don't seem to have quite gone into place. I'll do this off camera because it's a bit awkward doing it one-handed. So that's on. I don't think that's going anywhere. You just need to make sure it all snaps into place, but because there's a bit of a curve on it, it's flexing, but that's secure. I don't think that's coming out, so I call that job done. I just need to reassemble the liner for the boot, and then we're all sorted. So gonna end this video here. Hope you enjoyed this one. Things didn't go smoothly as I planned, but that's reality for you. So as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.